Hi everybody, Greg Luczak with Luczak Real Estate and Coldwell Banker Residential Brokerage, bringing you a fantastic home listing tour. This is 6176 Dancing Moon Way. This property is located in Painted Sky, located just off Powers and Grinnell. Fantastic newer neighborhood, easy access to Carson, easy access to Peterson Air Force Base. This property is over 3,200 square feet. It's got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. You've got a fully finished basement. You've got 4 bedrooms on the upper level, which is a fantastic, easy layout. And you've got a fantastic master suite up there as well, with a 5-piece bath and a huge walk-in closet. Main level offers a great formal living room. You've also got a beautiful open layout with kitchen, open to the dining room, open to the family room as well. This area flows together really well, lets in a lot of natural light, and is a really great layout, easy for entertaining. Basement's fully finished as well. You've got the 5th bedroom down there. You've also got additional rec room and a really nice, easy layout. Again, you've got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a little over 3,200 square feet. You've got gorgeous views from the expansive deck in the back. The property comes with AC as well. And just like with all my homes, it does come with a 14-month home warranty, transferable to the buyer upon closing. If you'd like more information on 6176 Dancing Moon Way, give me a call directly at 719-271-8888. Or as always, you can visit my website, www.makespringshome.com.